Yep, I got this thing on this day. Alright, on this Microphone Monday, I have this vintage astatic Model 30 biscuit. This is the all brown version. Check this out. Really good shape here. The original crystal was dead, of course. I replaced it with a vintage astatic 151 crystal element. These biscuits are easier to hold for a lot of people because it's not a full bullet size, as you can see. It's got the face like a bullet, but it's not nearly as deep. And great full tone on this one. This is a killer vintage astatic crystal in the biscuit shell. Check this out. Hope everybody's staying safe, doing your part, and enjoying this Microphone Monday.